I got this giant plantain and I have no idea how to get into it. How are you supposed to make a grilled plantain if you don't even know how to peel it? Oh my gosh, it's so thick, so creamy. Blueberry chai. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh crap, I forgot an ingredient. Dolly Cat's a very, very sharp kitty. It hurts the mom. That hurts your mom. It's like getting surgery. We're pretending that Dolly's giving Mama abdominal surgery. Right? Doing an operation on your mom.
This is Dante. He's a killer. He could kill his mom if he wanted. But I don't think he wants to kill his mom because I serve him. I serve him breakfast. I give him everything he needs so he loves his mom. He's not gonna kill me. Killer Dante.
Look out, Dolly. This is Dolly. She's a killer. Kill that lizard, Dolly. Yeah, he's coming to get us.
This is my pageant pose. So I haven't done my fingernails or my toenails in 2 weeks, and I'm going to tell you what, I am really paying for it. I'm talking about like a 30-minute file job. I'm telling you, I feel like so many people just don't know how much work and effort goes into making this happen.
If my grandfather and I had the same face, it would look like this. I think it would look relatively normal, you know? Would you be excited to meet me if I looked like this? Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Courtney and Papa. And if I had the same face as my brother-in-law on his honeymoon, it would be this. I don't know about this. And this is the face that my sister, on her honeymoon, if my sister and I were the same person, we would look like this. Me and my sister. But honestly, I feel like the face I should keep is my own. So this is me and me. I do look a lot like myself. Especially right now. Baywatch has been surprisingly delightful. Boom, boom, boom.